Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs coming to you with a public service announcement today for why car guys should drive cheap daily drivers. Number one reason you should drive a cheap daily is because you have more money for car parts. If it starts and runs and drives, hell, you can buy more car parts. You don't have to do anything. Number two, parts runs are easier for your project car if you have a running driving daily. If you drive your race car every day and you break something, you have to go into your significant other and go, honey, I need the car. I know I'm stinky, nasty, filthy, grimy, ugly, just ugh, but I need to get in your really nice, clean car and go make a parts run real quick. They're going to say no. Rule number three. You can have a shop because you have no payment. This is how I bought this shop. I financed the shop because I have no car payment because I drive a cheap daily. Number four, insurance. Man, I have full coverage insurance on that. Full coverage. $31 a month. $31 a month for a 99 Suburban through State Farm with all my other discounts and all that crap. More money for car parts. Number five, more money for car parts. Car parts is the goal. If you're a car guy, you want car parts. Get a cheap daily. You have more money for car parts. And a bonus reason, if it breaks, throw that son of a bitch away. I gave $1,200 for it. I've driven it 3 years. I haven't even changed the oil. I've put 8,000 miles on it. 3 years. When it breaks, which it will, I'll throw it away. I'll sell it for $600, and then I'll go buy another $1,200 or $1,500 car. It's that easy. So I have more money for car parts. Okay, subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming, and find us on Instagram at Narcoleptic. You won't see the daily on there but once or twice because I don't do anything to it. I get in and I drive it.